Words and Deeds. The Right Stuff. Original airing Oct. 2007. The Long Con. Original airing Feb. 8, 2006. The Jerk. Original airing May 15, 2007. The Greater Good. Original airing May 4, 2005. The Death Zone. Original airing Oct. 2, 2011. Simple Explanation. Original airing April 6, 2009. Rose-Colored Glasses. Original airing Jan 14, 2010. On Tap. Original airing Nov 23, 2010. Live from Damascus. Original airing Feb. 19, 2012. Great Firewall. Original airing Mar 1, 2011. Gloves Come Off. Original airing Mar 18, 2012. Getting Off 1. Original airing May 10, 2011. Executive Order 13,224. Original airing Nov 6, 2011. Emancipation. Original airing Nov 18, 2008. Don't Ever Change. Original airing Feb. 5, 2008. Collision. Original airing Nov 23, 2005. Another Ham Sandwich. Original airing Jan 29, 2012. Adrift. Original airing Sep. 28, 2005. 1854. Original airing May 6, 2010. In translation. Original airing Feb. 23, 2005.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.